morning.
Hi, morning.
Do you know if the ferry is going to Med Street?
Yes.
Okay, what time does it go?
The next one's at 10 o'clock.
Oh, the one said 10 o'clock. Yeah, I have a card. Or
A smart rider?
Yeah, I do have
So
it.
you just tag on the ferry and
Okay.
take off, yes.
So where do I take off? Is it inside the ferry?
It's
or-
on the ferry as you walk on.
Cool, perfect. So do you know which of the ferries do I have to take?
So it hasn't come back yet.
Okay.
We've got one running till 10 o'clock and then after 10 we'll have 2 ferries.
Okay. So how do I know if that one is going to take me to Med Street?
So our ferry will come back and you can go down the green ramp. There's
Okay.
a gate.
Right.
The ferry driver will open the gate when it's ready.
Okay, perfect. Thank you very much. So most of the things over here on weekends start at 10 a.m. including the ferry that I was just trying to board in, because the Perth Zoo starts at 9 a.m. But since the ferry starts at 10 a.m. so I'll just have to wait. It's just a couple of minutes, 10 minutes, and then it'll come. So in the meantime I'm just gonna browse through it. But yeah, I think that's one thing you should know. If you're early bird, then it's good to take a walk and just explore, because it's quite empty. If you're a photographer just like me, it's very good. You don't have to wait for a early bird, right? You can just wake up at 8 or 7:30 and just take a walk, and you'll be totally fine. So you need to wear a mask when you come for ferry ride, and you also need to be sure that you tap on and tap off as you get off. So those are the two things that you have to be mindful of. So yeah, just be mindful of it.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, speaking fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow.
So there you go, there's a note, 300 meters walk through Queen's Car Park. So let's go through it. Hmm.